Today I want to talk about manifestation. What is manifestation? My definition of manifestation is embodying your heart's dreams and desires. So how does that work? When you embody, you live in that which you want to receive, that which you want to have. So you start embodying before it even comes to you. So it's basically living the dream before it came to you. What kind of person am I when I'm in that dream fulfilled? What are my actions? How do I treat people? What do I do? What do I not do? So start living in the embodiment of the dream as if it already happened to you. Have fun practicing, and let's have fun manifesting.